Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now install this app from this developer and open it. Now select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups, then choose Home button and click on Settings. Following that, select Apps section, click on Default Apps and select Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, just click on it. Then tap on Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my OnePlus. But you can always just switch between your layouts by going into the same default app settings and choosing System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!